Guess who's back? Back again. Snake is back. Tell your friends. Man. Bank holiday. This mean all the Irish off work. Snake still working. But this mean the roads. And it's been a while, you know. The bike just got fixed. Feeling rusty. Very, very rusty. It is what it is, man. And I sleep in a little bit today. So there's a few cars. '61 that car's going, 64. 56, man, that's gotta be me then, 56. Not too bad, I take it. It's too windy to break a speed record today, I think, but we're gonna find out. 13 minutes something was the old record. Let's see if I can break it. Take the bus once when the bike was broken. That was so terrible. Now, nothing to worry about. Although I should have gotten up at 7. Not starting close to 8. And perhaps, man, okay, my battery kinda low also, to be fair. So it's not as speedy as when I break the record. Full battery, I mean, it goes just a little quicker. But maybe I get lucky with the lights, you know, green. There we go, I can do like this also. This path has a great bike path, not like other parts of the journey. Ah, no, red light. Maybe a green light for pedestrians. No. Okay, we already loosened, boys. I catch up this. Shouldn't be in the cars. No, exactly. All good. Also, brand new controller. I should talk a little bit about it. They fixed the fuse and the fuse holder at the bike repair shop, some great Brazilian lads. And the controller in the battery, 170 euros in total to repair. Just fantastic, man. Why did I chicken out there? And yeah, why? So stupid, man. Losing time. I'm not used to riding this speed. But yeah, I pay that, you know. I think that the cheap fuse that was in place didn't work as intended, you know. It melted the fuse holder and probably controller in the battery also. very important with these China bikes is to have a good repair shop close to you. It's cheap, it's fun. You gotta do some repairs, and I'm not even mad about it, you know. Many European goods, they are built so you can't repair them, so you gotta buy all new, you know. At least there I can repair it. And in the modern day consumer environment, man, that's a win in my book. Somebody got killed with the e-bike here recently. I gotta get myself that back mirror, you know, so I can see everything happen. Yeah, boy! Today nobody gotta be in office, just me. Bank holiday, baby! But not in the market where I work. It's what it is. Let's see if we get lucky with the lights. Ah man, nah, never lucky, not even once. Man, it's empty. It is what it is. No record time today. But the acceleration, great, you know. Even with low battery, I gotta charge it now, you know. I haven't been using for a little time. Ah, are you kidding me, man? This is the worst feeling on this commute, is when this light turn. Now nobody here, man. Nobody. It's a bank holiday. I stand here like a schmuck. Yeah, that's better. No. I got a great feeling about today. Today I'm gonna close a sale. I hope. I'm gonna buy some tickets to Colombia, boys. Put on this good old camera, I go to the club, stand there like a proper white boy. All the Latinas, they're gonna dance on me. And my face gonna be a mix of surprise and shock of happiness. Yeah, man. I should have gone yesterday, a Latina party, but I was too tired. There was I'm good boss, you know, make party on Saturday for office people, you know. I go there, free drinks, man. Welcome to Europe. So then, you know, you have some free alcohol, you get retired the day after. Just eat good old steak burger. They take quality beef and grind it into grind their beef and they make steak out of it, man. It's the best. This, like when I do this maneuver, I want to have my back mirror so I can see. Not have to turn head, you know. It is what it is. Especially during traffic day. Oh wow, yeah, I can feel slowness in battery now. But look at these empty roads, man. Beautiful. I bet I am below 15 minutes for this trip. I'm gonna see on the timer how long the video is, man. That's gotta be about the time of commute. I don't think this new record, I don't think. Although last time I was having police next to me, I had to drive very chill. I'm gonna compare. Also, I should have charged my battery before I go. That would have made it faster and lose some weight. Snake needs to lose weight. Oh yeah, it's slowing down a lot now. The engine sounding fine. Let's see, no traffic. Absolutely zero. I wanted to have a look at the good old e-bike, baby. Good old e-bike. Rolling into Business Park 2. What's he doing this hour of the morning, man? Yeah, Snake's here to make money. That's what it is. Anyways, feels great to be back. I'm gonna joyride. Let me know where I should joyride, man. City center or in the countryside with cow and castles. You let me know. That's the time, bro. That's the time.